یوٹی قادر صاحب کی خدمت میں والی صاحب کے ہاتھوں ایک شیلڈ پیش کی جا رہی ہے ان کے اکرام میں کہ وہ آپ ہمارے مہمان بن کر یہاں پر تشریف لائے. میں یوٹی قادر صاحب سے گزارش کروں گا کہ آپ اپنے خیالات ہمارے سامنے پیش فرمائیں گے. کنڑ تو ہم لوگوں کو نہیں آتی ہے لیکن آپ انگریزی میں پیش فرمائیں گے اور اس کا ترجمہ کر دیا جائے گا انشاءاللہ.
Assalamu alaikum. Chairman of today's function, the architect of Madrasa Eshaatul Uluma, and our pride of India, Maulana Ghulam Wastani Sahab, the future of Indian youngsters and guide for the youngsters, Maulana Ufaiza Wastani Sahab, international motivator, my friend and our guide, who have given me an opportunity to welcome and even opportunity to be here. Honorable Munawar Zaman Sahab, Ashraf Sahab, all the dignitaries of the dais, ulemas, umaras, who have joined over here. The guests and dignitaries have come from Kuwait and other countries who are participating in this function. All the brothers and sisters who are studying here, and the team of organizers of this program. It is my pleasure and the opportunity given by Allah Ta'ala to be in this function and seek the blessings of all the ulemas and umaros over here. Seeking the blessings of each and everyone, I thank the organizers for organizing such a wonderful program over here. Seeing entire campus, yesterday we traveled 5 to 6 to 7 to 8 hours we traveled. We reached at 2 or 3:30 at night. But when we reached there, the love and affection of the organizer, the hospitality of the students had taken our tiredness, everything, and we are fresh as if we had just arrived from there without any tiredness and with full relaxation. I think it is a kind of religious and academic education which given in this institution. If I'd like to say who is the ambassador of our community in India and world, one of the ambassadors of our community in India and throughout the world, it is Maulana Ghulam Wastani Sahab. He is the ambassador who has increased our dignity and our respect throughout India and throughout the world by giving the both education, the religious and academic education, which is strength of our community and strength of the society and the strength of our country. This institution is the pride of India, where the poorest of the poor can come here. They can take the good religious and academic education. Taking one of the best education system here, I am sure that all the students who are here when you come out of this campus, you are not only asset of your parents, you are the asset of the community and will be asset of the country, and thus such education is given this institution. I like to say the patriotism, Deshabhakt, means not stand somewhere, take a mic and talk, abuse someone is not Deshbhakt. The real patriotism and the real Deshbhakt is a service given by Maulana Ghulam Wasanti Sahib and such an education institution to the country. I think this is the service to the country and this is the patriotism. Because each and everyone's wish that India should be one of the powerful country. If we MLAs and MPs or ministers sitting in assembly becomes powerful, India won't be powerful. MPs and ministers sitting in the Lok Sabha becomes powerful, India cannot become powerful. Rich people sitting in the AC room and IAS officers in the AC room becomes powerful also, India cannot be powerful. If India has to be powerful, the children who are studying in the classroom and playing in the classroom, if they become powerful, only India can become powerful. That is what this Jamiah is doing over here, getting that each and every student, one of the powerful asset of this country, where indirectly it will be a contributor to society and to India. So I appreciating the effort of our Maulana Ghulam Wastani Sahib as a model and architect of this institution, as ambassador of a country, ambassador of a community to the country, not only ambassador for a community to the country, the world, is an inspiration for the and other youngsters come ahead. I like to congratulate the Maulana Faiza Wastani Sahib also. Whatever Maulana Ghulam Wastani Sahib has taken, his vision is taking forward by Maulana Faiza Wastani, spreading it throughout the country and throughout the world. And I'm sure that such service will be one of the best assets in the days to come. I like to tell all the children and the students who are studying here, you are very lucky and blessed by Allah Ta'ala to be in this institution and get one of the best education. I always say in my village, you can be born as a poor individual. You need not die like a poor only. If you want to give respect to life for parents and you want a dignity life in the society, only religious and academic education only can survive you. And that religious and academic education should be taken as one of the best gifts given by this institution for you to survive and with the dignity and the respect in this society. And I appreciate the management of this university for having both religious and academic institution, because you see the most problem in this world is more educated is more problem. Less educated is less problem, because we give only academic education. When you have got religious education and the spiritual education, academic education, I think everything will be under control. So such education has been given in this campus. I once again, on behalf of the people of India and behalf of the people of Karnataka, and wish this institution a bright and colorful future. And I like to, on behalf of all the representatives, I like to say, how you have a training for this youngsters, the students and ulemas, one good training should be given to all politicians also. That is very important, the days to come. And good politician also should come up from this society, because you have got law college, you have all the branches of college you have got here. And good social service-minded people and good politician also is needed for this country and this community. Because if one becomes a doctor, his doctor field will improve. One become an engineer, his engineer field will improve. One become an advocate, his advocate field will improve. But if you got a good politician, he can improve he can improve the medical field, engineer field, advocate field, CA field, police. Every field will be controlled and improved by a good representative of this country. Such good representative also is needed. Such training is needed from these institutions. This awareness should be given to each and everyone. And the last I'd like to say, we may be in political power. Our political power is very temporary. Our political power is temporary. The power of Maulana is permanent power. That is a permanent power we have got. I think such a strength is with us, and I'm sure that his blessings and his du'as will be a big guiding force for us in the days to come. This may be my first visit. This is not my last visit. I seek Allah the prayers that Allah Ta'ala give me that strength to come here now and then and take the blessings and guidance of Maulana, and where we can contribute our society and the community and the country in the days to come. So wishing each and everyone a bright and colorful future, thanking the team of organizers and the Maulana Ghulam Wastani Sahab for his initiative and his achievement and his vision for this country, which is carried forward by Maulana Hufaiz Wastani and all his team who were here. So once again, I request your team should visit Karnataka. You should try to establish an institution in our place also. Whatever support and whatever support you need, we are there with you to give this institution will be established, will be one of the strength for our state and country also. So once again, congratulating, wishing a bright and colorful future, and thanking you all the organizers, seeking the dua and blessings of Maulana Ghulam Wastani Sahab and Maulana Hufaiz Wastani Sahab and all the ulemas who have joined here. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
السلام علیکم ورحمۃ اللہ وبرکاتہ. مجھ سے کہا گیا ہے کہ میں جو انگریزی میں تقریر کی گئی ہے اس کی ترجمانی کروں. سچی بات تو یہ ہے کہ جہاں میں کھڑا تھا وہاں پہ مانیٹر سے آواز نہیں آ رہی تھی. جو باتیں میں سمجھ سکا اس کا جسے کہتے ہیں وہ آپ کے سامنے پیش کروں گا. یوٹی قادر صاحب جو ہے چونکہ اسپیکر ہیں تلنگانہ جیسی بہت ہی شاندار اسٹیٹ کے اور حیدرآباد جیسے کلچر کے، تو انہوں نے جب اپنی بات شروع کی، ایک اچھا اسپیکر اسی طریقے سے بات شروع کرتا ہے کہ انہوں نے سب سے پہلے جتنے بھی آئے ہوئے معزز مہمانان ہیں ان کا استقبال کیا، مولانا غلام وستانوی صاحب کا شکریہ ادا کیا، اور ایک چھوٹا سا واقعہ بتایا کہ میں 5-7 گھنٹوں کا سفر کر کے یہاں پہنچا تھا. رات میں 3-4 بجے جب یہاں پہنچا تو اس وقت جب یہ میں تصور کر رہا تھا کہ سارے لوگ خواب خرگوش میں ہوں گے، اس وقت میں نے دیکھا کہ بچے اپنے ہاتھوں میں پھول لیے ہمارا استقبال کر رہے ہیں. تو مجھے احساس ہوا کہ یہاں کا ڈسپلن کیا ہے، یہاں کے لوگ کس طریقے سے اپنے مہمانوں کا استقبال کرتے ہیں. اس کے لیے انہوں نے آپ سب کا شکریہ ادا کیا. آپ تالی بجا رہے ہیں، حالانکہ تالی بجانا منع ہے، آپ سبحان اللہ الحمدللہ کہہ سکتے ہیں اس بات کے لیے. بہرحال اس کے بعد مولانا نے یوٹی قادر صاحب نے مولانا غلام وستانوی صاحب کے تعلق سے ایک بات کی کہ ہم لوگ یہ کہتے ہیں کہ سچا دیش بھکت کون ہے. تو آپ نے بتایا کہ سچا دیش بھکت اگر آپ کو دیکھنا ہے تو آپ مولانا غلام وستانوی صاحب کو دیکھیں، کیونکہ لوگ ایم پی ہوتے ہیں، ایم ایل اے ہوتے ہیں، ڈاکٹر ہوتے ہیں، انجینئر ہوتے ہیں، وہ اپنی حدود میں کام کرتے ہیں. مولانا نے اپنے لیے کوئی حد قائم نہیں کی، بلکہ مولانا دن رات قوم کے لیے، اس ملک کے لیے کام کر رہے ہیں، اور جو اس ملک کے غریبوں کے لیے کام کر رہا ہے اس سے بڑا سچا دیش بھکت کوئی ہو ہی نہیں سکتا. اس کے بعد آپ نے ایک بہت اچھی بات کہی، یہاں کے بچوں کے لیے انہوں نے ایک پیغام دیا. پیغام یہ دیا کہ دیکھیے آپ ڈاکٹر بنتے ہیں، آپ انجینئر بنتے ہیں، آپ وکیل بنتے ہیں تو آپ اپنی پرسنل کیپیسٹی میں خدمت کر سکتے ہیں، لیکن اگر آپ بھی سیاست دان بنتے ہیں تو ایک سیاست دان جب ایوان میں بیٹھتا ہے وہاں پر وہ ملک کے بلکہ پورے ملک کی قسمت کا فیصلہ کر سکتا ہے، وہاں آپ بڑے پیمانے پر ملک کی خدمت کر سکتے ہیں. تو انہوں نے آپ کو پیغام دیا. اصل میں آج سیاست کو سچے اور اچھے لوگوں کی سب سے زیادہ ضرورت ہے، تو انہوں نے آپ کو دعوت دی ہے کہ آپ کو بھی ایوان میں آنا ہے. صرف ڈاکٹر انجینئر عالم نہیں بننا ہے، اچھا سیاست دان بھی بننا ہے. میں جس طریقے سے سب کا استقبال آپ نے کیا ہے، میں جامعہ کی جانب سے اور جامعہ کے اساتذہ کی جانب سے، جامعہ کے طلبہ کی جانب سے آپ کا استقبال کرتا ہوں. بہت بہت شکریہ.